Hello, dear learners and the viewers. How are you? Today, I am going to discuss English second paper. It is degree, which is the part of transformation or changing sentence. Okay, what is degree? Degree or comparison of adjective and adverb. Actually, degree is the comparison of adjective and adverb. Degree are mainly three types: the kinds of degree. One is positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree, Now, positive degree. Positive degree means there is no comparison of the person or object. For example, he is a good boy. Bangladesh is a small country. Actually, positive degree describe the general quality of a subject or person or number and the object. There is no comparison. And comparative degree is there is a comparison of two person or two persons or objects. For example, Purim is better than Rohim. Purim. Superlative degree. Superlative degree, there is a comparison of more than two person or objects. For example, Hassan is the best boy of the class. Another example, Monir is the tallest boy in the team. These are superlative. Now the rules of forming adjective of degree. The first one is rule 1, with one syllable. If the adjective is in one syllable, we use comparative degree er or er, and superlative degree est or st. For example, rich, richer, richest, tall, taller, tallest, old, older, oldest, small, smaller, smallest. If there is y at the end of the adjective, in comparative degree, IER will be used instead of y, and in the superlative degree, IST will be used instead of y. For example, dry will be drier, ear, and superlative degree will be diest. At the same time, easy will be easier, easiest, and happy will be happier, happiest. Lovely will be loveliest, lovelier, and loveliest. And the forming adjective of degree, if the adjective is more than one syllable, we will use more before the adjective or adverb in comparative degree, and if we in superlative degree we will use most before the adjective or adverb. For example, beautiful, beautiful in comparative degree will be more beautiful, more beautiful, and in superlative degree will be most beautiful, most beautiful. At the same time, brilliant, brilliant will be more brilliant, more brilliant, and in superlative will be most brilliant, and important, important will be more important, more important, and most important, most important. This is the rules of forming more than one syllable of adjective. Comparative will be more, and superlative. Structure of positive degree. There are three structure of positive degree. The first one is subject plus verb as adjective or adverb plus as subject to. As an example, Rina is as beautiful as her mother. The second structure of positive degree, no other plus subject plus verb as plus adjective or adverb plus as plus subject to. For example, no other river is as big as Podda in Bangladesh. Structure 3 of positive degree, very few plus subject plus verb plus as plus adjective plus as plus subject to. For example, very few metals are as useful as iron. The more example, very few boys are as good as Rohim. Dear learners, now the structure of comparative degree. The first structure, subject plus verb plus not plus comparative degree plus then plus subject. For example, Rina is not more beautiful than her mother. Structure number 2, subject plus verb plus comparative degree plus then any other plus subject to. For example, he is better than any other boy in the class. Structure 3, subject plus verb plus comparative degree plus then most other plus subject to. For example, he is better than most other boys in the class. If we make more example, there will be iron is more useful than most other metal. We can make more and more example. Now the structure of superlative degree. There are two structure of superlative degree we can see here. First one is subject plus verb plus article the plus superlative form of the adjective plus subject to. Actually, we know article the is used before superlative degree. Always we have to remember it. For example, he is the best boy in the class. In the second structure, subject plus verb plus one of the plus superlative degree plus subject to, that means plural subject, it will be plural subject. For example, he is one of the best boys in the class. Here we have to remember that always the noun will be plural form and subject will be singular form. The another example, iron is one of the most useful metals in the world. So this is also one of example of superlative degree. I think you have to, if you follow my lecture and according to the structure, positive degree, comparative degree, superlative degree, I think you will be able to make from positive to comparative and superlative. And thank you very much. Thank you all. This is the end of today.